Hey guys, we're here today and I've put my brave hat on. I'm facing it, I've come out. I'm gonna try and fix this pesky mirror. Okay guys, I'm doing it. I've got my brave hat on. For anyone that regularly watches the channel will know that I have had a problem with my left wing mirror on the Speedmaster. It's been a nightmare. The moment I'm in the country, I'm down in Somerset visiting some people. I'm usually in London, so I'm constantly pulling out my wing mirrors the whole time for traffic and dragging the bike out of the driveway, etc. So the left-hand wing mirror is always loose. Every time I pull it in and then put it out, it just becomes loose, so I have to carry my trusty Allen key with me everywhere, every time I get on the bike to tighten this mirror up. Now, we're going to have a crack today at trying to fix it. I don't hold out much hope, to be honest, given my technical expertise. It should be a laugh, and hopefully I'll get to know the mirror a little bit more and find out what's going on with it. So, as we bravely approach the mirror here, this mirror, the right-hand mirror, is very well behaved. That's a good mirror. Now, if I demonstrate how it should work, when I pull the mirror in, that's nice and tight all the way there, and then it's still tight there, and I can just simply push it back out like that. However, this little puppy, the left-hand mirror, when I come to do this one, pull it in, and it's in, but it's completely loose now. I just don't know what it is. Thank you so much to everyone who's commented before on the problem, actually, saying, trying to help with it, saying the overall response, main response, is to put some Loctite in the threads, but I think the only problem with that is the clue's in the name. It's Loctite, so it will hold it tight, but that's not the problem. It's pulling it in, and then it loosens up the bolts, and then it's just flapping around like this. So today I'm going to take it completely apart, take it off. I'm not sure if I'm going to solve it, but just have a look and see if there's anything that could be done. Okay, so I've got this screw here underneath loose. It's just that Allen key, like star-headed torque Allen key. It should be able to just finger it loose, excuse the term. Here she comes, there it is. Yeah! Right, so I've just come inside actually to just lay it out on the table to see exactly what we have. Actually, I don't know where that came from. There's 3 washers now. This, and then 2 washers. Obviously one's the other side for there, but I'm not sure where the third one came from, so that'll be interesting. But yeah, just a clearer look at it. That's the mirror, and then there's like a threaded, camera won't focus on it, there you go, it's just a threaded thread in there, which this goes up through the hole in the bike where the wing mirror goes and just screws on. So I actually don't know what can be done there. I'm just going to try a few different ways of screwing it in and out and see if there's something weird that will happen, but I don't think there is. So my thinking, genius plan, it's not that genius, is just screw the wing mirror on, but maybe, I don't know if I can't work it out in my head. Maybe if you started at a different angle and then screw the screw in so that it's at a different angle, so that when you pull the wing mirror in, it's not loosening it as much. It's sort of got a bit tighter to it. I can't explain it. I'll just try it. Okay, that's interesting. So just pushing the bolt through here. This this black unit that's on the bike actually has a thread inside of it, so it doesn't push through. It needs to twist. Potentially that has something to do with it. Okay guys, so that hasn't worked, but do not fear, I am not a beaten man yet. I still have some plans left. Jumping on Speedy, gonna head down to a tool shop, tool station, and I have a little nifty plan. I can't take all the credit for it because it was from someone in the comments, but yeah, cheers for that who made that comment. Let's go give it a go. Oh, well, it's Sunday today. Nice quiet roads. Be a nice day for a cruise actually, but I want to try and get this mirror sorted out. Up to stepping it up a gear to mending the mirror now. But yeah, it's not long till Portugal now. I've actually taken it back to, instead of the 15th, the 17th of March. So what day is it today? We've got 10 days. 10 days to go. The days are ticking down. It's not been that bad, so nearly there until the beautiful sunshine, and we'll go exploring Portugal. So this isn't actually the only motorbike I've had a problem with the wing mirrors. Is whether it's something to do with me. Motorbikes' wing mirrors just don't like me. Go on, son. Nice helmet. Still a chap out, a boy out having some fun on his bike on a Sunday, just like me. Good lad. Yeah, it's not the only bike I've had problems with the wing mirrors. I used to have it with my, what was it? It was the Africa Twin as well, and it was the left one as well, actually. So whether that's to do with the thread, the direction of the thread, I'm not sure. Road closed. What? Oh, it's market day. Oh no. Okay, this. Oh, I'm gonna have to look at. Oh no. This is where my sense of direction skills come into play. I don't know how I'm going to get to the tool station now. Right, let's have to turn around here. What do you reckon we can make it through? Should we filter through? Nah, I'm joking. You'd probably get arrested, wouldn't you? Not a good idea. Alright, enough pottering around. I'll catch up with you in a bit once we've got to our destination for this little outing. Right, not far, so we've got a selection of good shops here that could have the right tools for the wing mirrors. Home base over there, I don't know if you can see that, and Halfords. But we are going to go to tool station, the mighty tool station, which is up here, and hopefully that will have what I'm looking for. Here we are. Very low on prices. Nice, good start. Okay, cool. Right, let's go in and try and find what I'm looking for. Basically what I'm thinking is, it's actually someone, if you're watching this, who commented on the channel. It's just a locking washer that helps lock the nut in place. So it's also called a spring washer. So I'm going to get that and pop it on, and hopefully that will make it a little bit more secure for locking down really, and stop it twisting. Or I'm afraid it might actually lock the whole wing mirror in place, but we'll see. Let's go have a look. So, after flicking through the magazine there, which takes about half an hour to find the right page, but got them. Turns out it's the M8, and it's a spring washer. So I've sort of tested it through the pack. It looks like it's happened. But unfortunately, you've got to buy 100 pack of them. So I've got 100 here, but it's only like one. I think it was 95p or something. Let's get one out. So this is it, spring washer. Just like that. It's got a little crack. Oh, just dropped it. That's all right. I've got 99 others. So it's a spring washer. It's got a little crack in it. and it's stepped a bit like a spring there. So the thinking is going to replace the existing washer in there, and I don't know whether you put it this side or the other side. That's the extent of my technical knowledge, mechanical knowledge, but I'm going to give it a go and see what happens. I think I'll start from the underneath actually. Right, one didn't work on the bottom, not good news, so I'm going to try two now, one on the bottom and then one on the top. So one spring washer up here, one underneath. Push the wing mirror in, and that is still loose, but that's definitely not as loose as before. You see that? There's actually resistance to it falling back down, whereas before it would just gone completely. So it's not ideal, it still does move, but when I push it back out, ta-da! It tightens to where it originally was, whereas before it would have just fallen and gone. Now it tightens and stops. So if I demonstrate again, go in and out. There she is. As you can see, I'm pleased. Yes, problem half solved. Persistence was the key. That has solved it. So pleased about that. That's shows persistence is the key. I'm sure that's not the very end of the wing mirror saga. I can see it not being fully solved, but it's a start. Now, as I say, not too long to Portugal now, so I've got a few bike reviews coming up, a few bike rides which are very exciting, and I've got a little bit more to prep for Portugal. I'm going to start doing a bit of research into the country, so I want to go and buy a book on the Jura Valley and read up on Portugal. And as you probably won't be surprised, my Portuguese is terrible, or it's non-existent. So I might get a little phrase book and get ready on that. But for the bike, I'm pleased about that. It shows it's good to try and do things yourself, even if they're small wins. It's a win anyway. Anyway, see you in the next vid, guys. Many thanks for watching. Till next time, take it easy, ride and stay happy. All the best. Ciao bella.